Hi folks, Cameron here for Kingspirit Travels on the Road. We are going down to Anaheim today. It's still dark outside. It's very early in the morning. The sun hasn't risen yet. I'm waiting for a ride to go down to Anaheim to Silver Dream Factory Studios, and we're going to have some fun there while I am dressed up like this in order to be a detective in a film, in a student film. So stay with me and we'll be right back. And at the moment, currently waiting for a ride. Hey folks, here we are. Silver Dream.
What?
Just got back from doing makeup, so just waiting for Robbie, our director and writer of this project, who's doing his thesis. So the Uber drive was nice. I was able to play a couple of games on the way down, and just now waiting. So better get the lighting so you can see me. So you can see me. That's it for now. Oh, we could go and check out the set. So let's do that, all right?
Oh, really?
I already have 2 of the 4 basically left, so that's good.
Here we are.
So David, won't be too long.
This is probably going to be the area where I am going to die. By Frankenstein this time. So. Nice little set. Interrogation room. Here's Captain's office. And of course. Ta-da. Probably going to be my desk. Kind of.
So crazy. I don't think I've ever used it.
Well, this is going to be kind of interesting.
Whatever it is.
Yeah.
We're going to be like it's going to be good.
Can't wait to see how this turns out in a couple of months. Yeah, that's what Robbie told me. In about a couple months it'll be released, and I'll get a copy of it.
I don't think we'll ever see you.
He's like a laid back guy.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. Alright, guys. What's this all about?
Because this is not LA. This isn't New York San Francisco. This is
Yeah,
so you guys are like, so if somebody comes running in at LA office, you know, they're gonna tackle her. But you know, you guys are small town, Midwest.
Sheriff
You know,
Garris in part 6.
Yeah, just like
Alright, guys. be right back, Rob.
Okay.
So guys, am I gonna have any issues running a cable across here?
Hold on.
No, you won't have any issues there. Right now, we're gonna get one more shot in on this side. You'll do what you're doing. But bring with a rock.
Okay, guys. We are on lunch break. I did one particular scene in which I'm being strangled and raised up by the Frankenstein monster, and you'll be seeing my feet. Yeah, you'll be seeing my feet on film, and my mug, of course. So, just waiting for pizza, which is being served in just a minute, and I'm gonna get another cup of coffee, so I'll be back. And we'll do some more recording and picture taking, shall we?
So start being in there with them. She comes up and we see her in frame. She comes up, pushes him in. We see all that in the static shot.
So why don't we dolly back first? Right? We'll see more of the cell inside, and then as he delivers the line, so we start further that way, right. And then we come in. Does that sound good?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. So dolly go that way towards the door.
As long as we see the action in the cell, that's what I really want to see.
Still filming. It's going pretty well. My scenes were done, and I'm just sticking around just to see the end of this thing. Just took a little video of basically the last scenes, but it's been a slice, and I'm really happy to have done this, and I would like to do more. And thank you for joining me. They're gonna be recording in just a little bit.
Sounds meeting.
Picture.
Slate.
Scene 9, Vickery, take 3. Mark.
Action.
Excellent.
Okay, we are at the absolute last shot, and I will be hitching a ride with one of the PAs here, and when that's said and done, I'll be back in Azusa. So thank you for joining me for this little outing of On the Road for Kingspirit Travels. I'm Cameron Farmer, so until next time, have a great day wherever you are.